Well, I know freezer space is a luxury, but if you dedicate just one of your standard freezer drawers to your dog, this is how much Rude dog food you can actually fit in there. Because of our handy little tubs that slot together like little Lego bricks, you can actually fit 11 kilos of Rude dog food in one standard size freezer drawer. So one freezer drawer is nearly enough for a month's worth of food for a 20 kilo Labrador, for example. So there you have it. Get rid of the turkey from 2 years ago. Clear out the chips that you don't need anymore. Dedicate just one freezer drawer to your dog and you can feed them a truly species appropriate diet, what they actually deserve. Rude dog food.